I'm going to tell you something you may have never heard before, my friend. Eating the right dry fruits at night can quietly turn your biggest worries about vision, memory, and sleep into strengths instead of fears. Most seniors are told that fading eyesight, forgetfulness, and restless nights are simply signs of aging, something they must accept as part of life. But the truth is far more hopeful. The way you nourish your body before you sleep decides how clear your eyes feel tomorrow morning, how calm your mind stays through the day, and how deeply your body rests at night. And today, here on Golden Rest Guide, I'm going to show you why 3 simple dry fruits, found in every home and every market, carry a silent power that most people never realize. When eaten at the right time, these dry fruits give your brain and eyes exactly what they need to repair themselves in the dark hours of the night. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you will understand why these tiny foods have helped so many seniors regain confidence in their vision, their memory, and their independence. But before we begin, I would love to know something from you personally. Where are you watching Golden Rest Guide from, and what time of day is it right now? Please tell me in the comments. And if you find this message helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next tip designed to bring you comfort, clarity, and peace of mind. Now let's step deeper into the everyday challenges many seniors quietly face with vision, memory, and sleep, and why the solution may be closer, simpler, and more natural than you ever imagined. Every morning has its own familiar rhythm. Whether you sit with a warm cup of coffee in a quiet American kitchen or sip a hot cup of chai with neighbors on an Indian balcony, life appears steady. But beneath that calm surface, many older adults notice subtle changes. The letters on the newspaper blur more quickly. Street signs during a drive no longer look as sharp as they once did. And sometimes, the name of someone you've known for years slips away in the middle of a conversation. After 60, these small shifts are more than frustrating. They are frightening. In the United States, many seniors quietly wonder if they can still drive safely at night. In India, elders worry if they will still be able to read morning prayers clearly or participate confidently in community gatherings. These aren't just physical struggles. They bring emotional heaviness. There is the fear of losing independence, the worry of depending too much on children, and the sadness of feeling that the mind isn't as sharp as it once was. But science gives us a gentle explanation that brings hope. Your brain and your retina, the light-sensing tissue at the back of your eye, are 2 of the most energy-hungry parts of your entire body. The brain weighs only about 2% of your body weight, but uses nearly 20% of your daily energy. The retina works even harder under constant stress from light, glare, and daily strain. During the day, both the brain and retina accumulate stress and microscopic damage. But at night, something remarkable happens. Your brain activates a cleaning system that removes waste proteins, and your retina begins repairing its fragile cells. This is your body's natural repair crew, working quietly while you sleep. But here is the hidden problem. If you do not give your body the right nutrients in the evening, these workers cannot complete their job. It's like sending construction workers into a damaged building with no wood, no tools, and no cement. The effort is there, but the results are weak. This is why so many seniors experience faster memory decline, dimmer eyesight, and restless nights. They simply aren't giving their repair crew the fuel it needs. So here's the powerful question. Could a small change in what you eat before bedtime help your brain and eyes rebuild stronger? Could just a handful of the right foods give you back clarity, confidence, and peaceful sleep? As you'll see now, the answer is absolutely yes. And it begins with the first dry fruit, almonds. When you think of almonds, you may imagine a simple snack used in desserts or mixed into a trail mix. But inside this small nut is one of the strongest natural protectors for your eyes. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields the fragile cells inside your eyes from oxidative stress, the same stress that causes blurriness and strain as we age. Almonds also contain healthy fats that keep tiny blood vessels flexible, ensuring oxygen flows smoothly to your retina. Many seniors dismiss early changes in their eyesight as unavoidable aging. But much of that decline is caused not by age itself, but by damage from unstable molecules called free radicals. Vitamin E acts like an invisible shield, slowing this damage. Studies show that people with regular vitamin E intake are less likely to develop macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss after 60. A small story brings this to life. In Ohio, a 72-year-old man named Robert loved reading mystery novels every night, but over time the words blurred long before he finished a chapter. His doctor explained that his eyes weren't getting enough nutritional support. Robert began eating soaked almonds every night, and within weeks he noticed less strain and clearer reading. The improvement wasn't dramatic overnight, but it was steady and real. To get the most benefit, soak 6 to 8 almonds for several hours and remove the skin before eating. Eat them 30 to 45 minutes before sleep. This timing allows nutrients to enter your bloodstream just as your eyes begin repairing themselves. Next comes walnuts, the food that truly supports memory. A walnut resembles a tiny brain, and nature may be giving us a hint. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, essential for keeping brain cells flexible and communication smooth. Without these fats, memory signals slow down, and thinking feels foggy. In California, a grandmother named Helen often panicked when she forgot familiar numbers she had dialed for years. She added 2 walnut halves to her evening routine, and within a month noticed a gentle but clear improvement in her memory and mental confidence. Science explains why. The hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory, naturally accumulates inflammation with age. Walnuts reduce this inflammation and enrich the membranes of brain cells, making them more flexible. They also contain melatonin, which helps seniors achieve deeper sleep. And as you know, good sleep is the foundation of good memory. Eating 2 or 3 raw walnut halves about 30 minutes before bed can make a meaningful difference over time. The third dry fruit is raisins, tiny, humble, and extremely powerful. Raisins provide steady energy throughout the night. Unlike refined sugar, raisins release natural sugar slowly, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. This steady fuel is essential because your brain works throughout the night, cleansing toxins, processing memories, and repairing nerves. Without steady energy, the brain's night shift becomes weak. Raisins also contain polyphenols that protect the brain and retina. She added 5 or 6 raisins to her evening snack, along with almonds and walnuts. Within 2 weeks, her mornings felt lighter, her mind calmer, and her focus clearer. Now imagine combining all 3, almonds, walnuts, and raisins at the perfect time. 6 soaked almonds, 2 walnut halves, and 5 to 7 raisins taken 30 to 45 minutes before bed create a powerful rhythm your body can trust. Almonds shield your eyes, walnuts sharpen your memory, and raisins feed your brain steady energy throughout the night. This trio works best when paired with simple sleep habits like keeping your bedroom cool and dark, avoiding screens an hour before bed, and drinking a small cup of warm water or herbal tea. These habits help your body use the nutrients more effectively. You can also follow a gentle 3-week plan. In the first week, focus only on almonds each night. In the second week, add walnuts. In the third week, complete the trio by adding raisins. Most seniors begin noticing subtle improvements, clearer reading, calmer mornings, fewer awakenings within the first few weeks. For some, it means reading the morning newspaper without squinting. For others, it means remembering conversations more easily. For many, it simply means waking up feeling refreshed instead of drained. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, stepping into your kitchen, and pouring yourself a warm cup of tea or coffee while the newspaper rests on the table. The smell is familiar, but what makes this moment special is the clarity in your eyes and the confidence in your mind. Imagine reading every line with ease. Imagine participating in morning prayers with full focus. Imagine recognizing every face in the room without hesitation. These small moments are what make independence meaningful. Healthy aging is not just about living longer. It is about living well, with a clear mind, sharp vision, and peaceful sleep. The fear of fading memory or weakening eyesight does not have to control your life. Small, consistent habits like eating the right foods at the right time can quietly restore balance. With each thoughtful choice, you give your body what it has always needed: care, nourishment, and respect. And the reward is brighter mornings, peaceful nights. Let this be your gentle promise to yourself, a promise of comfort, clarity, and calm. And before you leave, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from and what time is it right now? I truly enjoy reading your answers. If this message has helped you, please subscribe and share this video with someone you care about, because the gift of clearer vision, sharper memory, and better sleep is one worth passing along.